Sometimes I see myself on camera and I'm holding all my brushes. I'm like, I'm Edward Scissorhands. Hey Mecca Beauty Junkies, Elyse here, global pro artist for Too Faced Cosmetics, and I am so excited to show you this look using our brand new Ultimate Natural Beauty Collection. The first thing that I'm gonna do is apply some shadow insurance. This is gonna keep this look from creasing. And you wanna make sure that you always extend it all the way out so that when you're blending, you're not gonna have any uneven spots on the outside. I'm so excited to introduce you guys to our new Natural Eyes palette. This is the palette that you've loved for many years, since 2009, but it's gotten a beautiful update, and the formula is infused with coconut butter. Using shadow insurance, I'm gonna show you one of my favorite tricks. You can use any eyeshadow and mix with shadow insurance to create a custom waterproof shadow. So just using a small amount of shadow insurance, I'm gonna take my finger and blend into the color Honey Pot, and then I'm gonna mix it with the shadow insurance to create that custom cream shadow. Now I'm gonna go in with the blender brush and just make sure any harsh edges are diffused. Blending outward will give it a little lift on the ends. Next I'm gonna use the liner brush. This is our liner brush from Too Faced. I love using this to just define underneath the eye. This shadow will just make your eyes look super bright, gives you that like off-duty supermodel look effortlessly. Now I'm gonna go in and define with our new Natural Matte palette. I'm gonna use the eye sculpting brush on the outside just to build into the outer V. Doing a little bit at a time, making sure you're not gonna drown your eye in color. Next, I'm gonna use the color Risky Biz. I wanna add a little bit of depth to the outside of the eye and underneath in the lash line, but I don't want this look to get too dark, so I'm not gonna use any liner. I'm gonna finish off this look with 3 coats of Better Than Sex mascara for some ultimate volume. One of my favorite tricks is to apply mascara to your bottom lashes first. That way, when you're looking up, you don't get mascara all over your eyeshadow. Look at these freaking lashes. I'm dead. Next, I'm gonna sculpt M's face with our brand new Natural Face palette. This is everything you need for a flawless face. I'm gonna use the shade Sunny Honey to create a natural, just kissed by the sun effect. So I wanna put this where the sun would naturally kiss you. We're gonna use it around the perimeter of the face, but I wanna blend and make sure there's no harsh edges. It should just go on really soft. I always like to bring the bronzer down the neck and chest, especially on the neck because the neck doesn't see the sun as often. Let's add a little flush to the cheeks with the color Pink Sand. No look is complete without a little blinding highlight, so I'm gonna go in with the color Starlight. I'm gonna add a little bit across the bridge of the nose and a little bit on top of the Cupid's bow. Just gives the lips a little pout. And to wrap up this look, I'm just gonna use one of our brand new natural nudes. This color is called Strip Search. These lipsticks are super comfortable. They go on like a lip balm, but you get so much pigment from them. This lipstick is infused with coconut butter to make it extra comfortable and moisturizing. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Wear it natural and own your pretty.